In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free shipping on Shopify 2025 tutorial. We'll start right in your Shopify admin and set up a custom rate that shows as free at checkout. I'll also point out what each choice means so you can tailor it to your store's policy with confidence. Begin by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, head to Settings, then open Shipping and Delivery. This is where your shipping profiles live. A shipping profile controls which products use which rates in specific regions. For most stores, the default profile is labeled All Products, and that's the one we'll use now, so the rate applies broadly. Inside that profile, find your shipping zone and click Add Rate. This opens a window where you can define the rate customers will see. Choose the Custom option so you can create your own manual rate instead of pulling prices from a carrier. If you're presented with more than one custom choice, pick the one that lets you name the rate and set the price yourself. Next, give the rate a clear name that shoppers will immediately understand. Something like free shipping works perfectly. Then set the price to 0.00. That zero price is what makes the rate free at checkout. If there's a field or toggle involved, double-check that it reflects a zero cost before moving on. You'll also see an optional field for a custom delivery description. This is a great place to set expectations with a short note like standard delivery, 3 to 5 business days. It helps reduce support questions and makes the free option feel professional and reliable. If you only want free shipping in certain situations, add conditional pricing. Select based on item weight. Shopify evaluates the combined weight of items in the cart, so this is ideal when you want lighter orders to ship free while heavier orders use paid options. Set the minimum and maximum weight range that qualifies for the free rate. This keeps your shipping costs predictable without removing the incentive for smaller orders. When everything looks good, click Done to wrap up the rate. A quick note: accurate product weights are essential for weight-based conditions to work correctly, so make sure your product details reflect real weights. If your strategy is to offer free shipping above a cart value, there's also a price-based condition in the same area you can choose instead. That's it. You've added a free shipping option to your profile